or a piece of cloth, but it is a symbol that they have now received their specialized degrees. We look forward with excitement with the contributions that you will make to our society and the Bangsamoro. So once again, to our dearest parents who are yet to impose the hood, you may now do the honor.